Hello guys and welcome to another Premiere Pro tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to simplify your sequence with just a few clicks in Premiere Pro. Now over here in my timeline, I've got some video tracks over the place. I've got some disabled clips. I have some empty tracks. And the same thing with my audio tracks over here. I have some muted tracks. I have some disabled tracks, some offline tracks and all of that. All you need to do is to move up here to the sequence tab and select sequence. And move down here to simplify sequence, and over here I have the options of giving this duplicated sequence a new name. And also I'm going to select close vertical gaps on video tracks. I could remove from video tracks only or audio tracks, but I'm going to select both. I'm selecting to remove from disabled muted tracks, also disabled clips, also offline clips. You could also select to remove clips with a certain label color. I do not have any label color, but you could select it and remove any color. You could also remove sequence markers. I do not have any sequence markers, so I'm going to deselect all of this. So I'm going to select to remove empty tracks. You could select to remove graphics. I do not have any graphics on this timeline. I do not have transitions either. And all I'm going to do now is to hit simplify. And just like that, you can see that Premiere Pro has automatically simplified my clips by moving all video clips and audio clips to the lowest track available without overwriting anything.